If you're watching this because you've fallen behind on your mortgage and wondering how foreclosure works in Nevada and how selling your house fast might protect your credit, here's what you need to know. Step 1, understand the notice of default and the 35-day reinstatement period. When you miss multiple mortgage payments, the lender may file a notice of default and election to sell NRS 107.080. This officially starts the non-judicial foreclosure process in Nevada. You have 35 days from the date of the notice of default to reinstate the loan by paying past due amounts, late fees, and legal costs. This is your first opportunity to halt the foreclosure. During this time, Nevada's Homeowners Bill of Rights, SB 321, 2013, requires your mortgage servicer to make a good faith effort to contact you and offer loss mitigation options. Step 2, foreclosure mediation if you're eligible. If the property is owner-occupied, you may be eligible to request foreclosure mediation under NRS 107.086. This request must be made shortly after the notice of default is filed. The mediation process typically costs $500, split between borrower and lender, and is managed by Home Means Nevada, Inc. If mediation fails or is waived, a certificate of foreclosure mediation is issued within 60 to 90 days. This certificate allows the trustee to proceed to the next step. Step 3, notice of trustee's sale, 20-day minimum. Once the certificate is issued, the trustee records and sends a notice of trustee's sale. This notice must be posted in 3 public places for 20 consecutive days, published in a legal newspaper for 3 consecutive weeks, and mailed to the borrower. The sale must be scheduled at least 20 days after the notice is issued. In practice, the entire foreclosure timeline from notice of default to public auction generally takes 90 to 120 days, but it can be longer due to delays, title issues, or mediation. Step 4, public auction, trustee sale. On the scheduled day, the property is auctioned to the highest bidder, often on the courthouse steps. If no one outbids the lender, the property goes back to the lender as an REO, real estate owned. Nevada allows the lender to pursue a deficiency judgment for up to 6 months after the foreclosure sale, NRS 40.455, under certain conditions. Important, Nevada does not provide a redemption period after the sale. Once the trustee's sale occurs, the process is final. Step 5, what a fast sale can do for your credit. Selling your home quickly, either through a traditional sale or a short sale with lender approval, can stop the foreclosure process and preserve your credit. Here's how different outcomes generally affect your FICO score. Foreclosure, 85 to 160 point drop. Short sale, 50 to 130 point drop. Deed in lieu, 50 to 125 point drop. In contrast to foreclosure, a short sale often appears as settled on your credit report, which is less damaging and may allow for quicker financial recovery. You can also explore a deed in lieu of foreclosure, which lets you voluntarily transfer ownership to the lender in exchange for debt relief. While still a negative event, it's generally less damaging than a foreclosure. Bonus option, bankruptcy, automatic stay protection. Filing Chapter 13 bankruptcy can stop foreclosure via an automatic stay and allow you to catch up on missed payments over time. Chapter 7 can also temporarily delay the process, buying you time to make a plan. Checklist, what to do if you're facing foreclosure. Open every letter from your lender. Contact a HUD-approved housing counselor. Consider mediation if eligible. Explore loan modification or reinstatement. List your home for sale or consult about a short sale. Speak to a bankruptcy attorney if needed. Case study. Example, one Summerlin homeowner missed 4 mortgage payments. They requested mediation but couldn't reach a resolution. With just 21 days before the trustee's sale, they listed and accepted a short sale offer. The lender approved the sale and the homeowner avoided foreclosure. Their credit dropped 90 points, but recovered within 24 months. Nevada foreclosure timeline at a glance. Here's a quick overview of how the foreclosure process unfolds in Nevada. First, the notice of default is filed after you've missed 3 or more mortgage payments. This opens a 35-day window where you can reinstate the loan by catching up on what you owe. Next comes the mediation period, which usually takes about 60 to 90 days. If the property is your primary residence, you're allowed to request mediation during this time. After that, the notice of trustee's sale is issued. This must happen at least 20 days before the auction and includes public postings and newspaper publications. Finally, the trustee sale takes place, usually around 90 to 120 days from the notice of default. It's important to know that Nevada does not offer a redemption period after the sale. Once it's done, it's done. Helpful context. Nevada has consistently ranked among the top 10 states for foreclosure rates. And as of mid-2025, Las Vegas continues to see higher than average foreclosure activity compared to the rest of the country. If you're going through this, you're not alone. There are real options to protect your credit, your finances, and your peace of mind. Selling your home might be the right path, or maybe there's another solution that fits. This is what I do, and I'd be happy to help you too if it makes sense. No pressure at all. Just reach out if you want to talk it through. Either way, I hope this gave you some clarity and a sense of control today.